blizzard conditions. It's so bad I can't even get outside and walk around and take pictures right now. But that guy, he's got beer. I guess he's going somewhere. Maybe to the hotel. Crazy. Wow, boy, that wind is whipping. If I can get a picture here. Probably the worst blizzard I've ever been in. Fredericksburg, Maryland. That building there you're seeing is just right across the street. That's how bad it's blowing right now. Visibility is really dropping. The water tower's right there and you can't even see it. Fredericksburg Water Tower. Let me back up a little bit. Unreal. But my toes are nice and warm.